I want to make hummus to add to my repertoire because I have so many good recipes that replacing dairy, I find it very, very good instead of milk or cream. So I have got here 200 grams of chickpeas already been soaked and cooked. I soak it overnight and then I cook it in the morning and drain, and now it's in there, goes into the food processor. And garlic, you can skip garlic if you don't like raw garlic. I am generous actually here. These are very small cloves, so it's 1, 2, 3, about the equivalent of two. Yeah, this is our garlic, very fresh. Equivalent of 2 cloves there. And 2 lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And of course, the tahini. I put 2 to 3 tablespoons for the amount of the chickpeas. And at this point, I'm not adding any oil at all. So I add 3. Let's be generous for the tahini. Yes, I don't want to waste that. Use my finger. I'll be eating it anyway. So, and it's hands are clean. If you're cooked, always wash your hands. So I'm putting about 60 milliliter of water to start the process and make it smooth and runny, creamy. So, and put the lid on. And that will be it. That's it. So that's our, yeah, okay. Look at that, so creamy. So now we can adjust the consistency if you want it runny or runnier or thicker. It's entirely up to you. So I put actually 60 milliliter of water. So there's my measurement. Yeah, 60 milliliter of water. So if you want to thin this, you can add oil, which I'm about to do. And also if you want to put salt, it really is entirely up to you. Now, I'm going to say this for the different, now, for the chicken. So, oh, look at that, so gorgeous. Just wait for the recipes I've got with hummus. You will be surprised. It really is amazing. So now you can do all this topping up here. You can, I add olive oil, and a good quality of olive oil I'm using here is an unfiltered. I just drizzle it over the top, and you can add whatever you want here. I'm adding chili flakes and chili powder, and dried mint. I dry my mint because they grow like weeds in my garden, and the roots are so persistent. They grow so deep, and sometimes they're so wild. I just scatter them all over the top, and it's just great. And this is ready now. This is basically ready for dipping your bread or roasted vegetables. My suggestion is roasted vegetables for me because I'm trying to avoid carbohydrates. Dried mint. So, and this is basically ready. So this is a good source of sauce for keeping in the fridge, because if you are having just a lazy day, and this is